What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Natalie, and I'm back with another video.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Today's video is a review on New Bella. I got some new boots from them. Only got one, so it's just a quick little video of a quick review. This company reached out to me about wanting to work with me. They decided to send me some boots to try and leave a review on. So I'm not really, I don't want to say I'm not really a boot person. It's just when it doesn't get cold down here in Florida. Sometimes it's really hard for me to kind of style boots. I don't know, maybe you guys can help me out. Help you. I tell you about a company, you tell me how to style it. So anyway, they sent me some boots and they're so cute. So I just wanted to show you guys what the boots look like, how they fit, how they feel, and possibly get you guys to go out and buy some too, because you know who doesn't like a new company to get new stuff from. But anyway, let me stop rambling and get to it. Okay, so this is the box that came in. Let's unbox, because honestly I only peeked to see, because I got a package. I'm like, what the hell is this? I didn't order anything. I did order something, but from Amazon. So when I got this other package, I'm like, what the heck is this? So let's go ahead and really unbox. All right, so again, I didn't really unbox, so you guys are gonna be looking at it the same way. Oh, so this is how it, oh, this is how they look. These are so cute. I think I've only had brown boots in like maybe denim. This is how these look. All right, so let's go ahead and try them on.
It's O-R-E-Y-O DJ Oreo.
I believed everything we had was last. Young and naive of me to think she was.
Okay, God, these feel so good. Okay, anyway, so yeah, these feel great. I have skinny legs, so these fit so perfect and it's stretchy. I believe I got a size 8. I'm not sure of the size I got. When I find out, I'll put it on the screen. I think I got a size 8, but they fit so comfortably. I sized up mainly because I don't know if I sized up, but if I did, I sized up because I like to wear socks with my boots. Yeah, this is so cute. Make sure you check out my TikTok, because I'm gonna do different styles and how to style these. These boots are cute. Like I can even wear these out to like work, possibly. Like they won me over. Like make sure you check them out. I'll even have their website on the screen. I'll have it in my description. I'll even have on the description the exact link to these boots. Definitely go out and check these out. They're so cute. Now I would say this, they do, if you see on the screen, they do what's the word for it, they slide down your legs a little bit, so it kind of looks distorted, if you guys can see on the screen. But other than that, they feel good, they fit good. And honestly, I think there is ways to keep these boots up, and if you're styling them with jeans, they'll probably stay up too. So I don't have nothing on my legs, so it's probably lotion that's probably not keeping it up. Overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. I'll definitely be rocking these because they're different. Like I don't really too much rock boots as much, especially living here in Florida. It's like it's hot. These are comfortable enough to wear out even in the heat. They're not thick, you know, so these are perfect for this type of Florida weather. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. By the way, this is Vlogtober day 18.